Hi, Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Fara Aryna, Binti Amiruddin. Today I will be presenting about my industrial training at Nozali Food Industry, Sindra Mahat. The objective of industrial training is to apply theoretical knowledge academic coursework in real-world industry environment and also to develop and enhance technical skill and also soft skill relevant to the industry and also to engage in problem-solving activities and contribute to tasks and also to learn about industry regulations, standard and compliance requirements. Company background: Nozzle Food Industries Berhad produce ready-to-eat product. 100% Bumi Putra-owned company headquartered in Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. This company was established in 2013. This company also is a manufacturer and supplier of food paste, ready-to-eat meal and beverage. This company utilizes retort technology and is a trusted partner in OEM for food solution by implementing food safety management systems such as GMP, HACCP, Halal, and ISO. Those are product category that this company produce. First is ready-to-eat meal, packed meal, fried rice meal, and cooking ingredient. All this product is under utilizing retort processing. My job scope in this company during my internship can divided into production, warehouse, laboratory, and also documentation. Experience during industrial training period. As I mentioned earlier, my job scope is quality control. Quality control can divide it into few department or area. First, quality control in production. In production, can divide it into few area, which is preparation area, cooking area, filling area, WIP area, and also printing area. Morning routine in production area as quality control. I need to fill the food bath by using chlorine sanitizer and provide personal protective equipment (PPE) such as glove, hairnet, apron, and mask. Production in preparation area. The preparation area is where workers cut, grind, and blanch raw material. As quality control, I need to ensure that every worker wear proper PPE such as glove, apron, mask, and also boot. I also need to monitor worker handle the raw material and ensure that the raw material are used safe in terms of color, smell, and appearance. I also need to ensure ground raw material are transferred to the cooking area in sealed container to avoid contamination. Production in cooking area. The cooking area is where the head chef and workers cook using kettle, homogenizer, or large pot. For example, my responsibility in cooking area as quality control is to monitor the head chef and operator is follow the standard operating procedure, which include using a specific amount raw material, and also I need to record the mixing time or record the temp and temperature of cooking, and I also need to send the sample to the lab approval to proceed to the filling process. I also need to record chemical results such as viscosity, pH, brute and salt content of the product. Production in filling area. The filling area is where packaging takes place before entering the retort machine. My responsibility as quality control in filling area is need to check the quality of product in terms of product weight and post seal. I also need to report any non-compliance regarding product weight or defective seal to the machine operator. I also need to reseal any defective pouches using a sealing machine to minimize reject item. I also need to mark and set aside 7 samples for every product for QC sample for lab testing and shelf life study. I also need to record the amount of reject, underweight, overweight, and also empty product after the filling process. Production in WIP area. WIP area is where retorting processing and also incubation process. My responsibility in WIP area is need to conduct inspection after 7 to 14 day incubation to check product condition. I also need to inspection identify rejection due to bloating, pinhole or defective seal. Rejection handling is need to record detail of rejected purchase. I also need to complete a right form and also need to seek approval from general manager to dispose of rejected product. Production in printing area. After product finish the incubation process, the product is sent to the printing area to print product name, batch number, and weight on pouches. As quality control, I need to ensure all printed data meets customer requirement and also need to verify that the position of printed information on pouches is uniform. I also need to ensure information is not crooked or upside down, or I need to inspect the printing on pouches to check for smudging or missing ink after printing. If external auditor come to audit the factory, I need to conduct cleanliness inspection around the factory. I also need to ensure that all the boots and coats in the changing room are available for audit purpose. I also need to ensure that all employees in production follow the SOP and wear PPE such as mask, hairnet, glove, boot and coats. I also need to ensure tissue and hand washing soap and also PPE must always be available in their designated place. During my internship, I also assist in laboratory as quality control. Sample testing that I conduct such as physical, chemical tests, microbe and sensory tests. For example, fried rice, I only check salt content. For sauce sample like curry, masak lemak, I check pH value, grease content, viscosity and salt content. After product finish the incubation period, which is 7 to 14 days after process result, I will conduct microbe testing. The tests include total plate count and E. coli by using petrifilm acid plate and also yeast and mold by using pour plate technique. I also do documentation. I record the result in the chemical test result for cooked liquid form. As quality control in warehouse, I will conduct inspection on product before packing. I will determine if products are in good condition or need to recheck due to bloating, pinhole or defective seal. For rejection process, I will record the number of reject due to bloating or others. I will check the issue because of bloating, spoilage, pinhole or printing defect. I also do documentation, which is I need to do write-off form due to rejection product, and also I need to do seek approval from general manager to dispose of rejected product. After inspection, I will ensure the operator wash the dirty pouches by using correct soap. The clean and dirty pouches need to do separately. After that, batch management is for packing purpose. Group container will purchase according to batch number or expiry date. As quality control internship, I also do documentation. For example, Malaysian Standard File Management. I update the factory plan layout for worker flow and risk zone and update layout in halal and GMP file. And then I also do costing and bill of material for new products such as rendang toh. And then I also do nutrition fact and product specification by creating nutrient fact for product. For example, this figure. And then I will ensure the typhoid and food handling certificate of employee are updated. I also do production reporting such as salted mushroom report summarize production. And I also do develop SOP such as sardine product. I do correction of warehouse SOP under the supervision of the QC executive. I also create a flowchart for product like mac and cheese and soup daging based on initial costing. In conclusion, I gain knowledge and exposed to food ready to eat product and also utilizing the retail processing. I understand importance of quality control and how to monitor do inspection by using quality control standard and also food safety management system. I can overcome the challenges during my internship. For recommendation for this company, I recommend use specialized training program which is retail, and then I recommend about centralized database for inventory management, and also invest on infrastructure upgrade for incubation area to avoid pests. So far, that is my presentation based on my experience during my industrial training. Thank you.